Pa po nagpapawat ang datingan ng mga players. Thank you! Na wala sa list. Mukhang may humahabol pa, may kachat pa si ma'am.
Oo nga din.
Dahil nagutom na po yung mga organizer, ko-coffee po kami.
Siguro may labing-dalawa na yung umupo. Hindi mo ba nagtanong? Pwede pa pataboy.
So, papunta na po yung ibang players.
Hi! Hello! Good morning! Hello!
Sa mga magaganda naming caddies. Ano oras ka doon? Dito ako mag-start sa back 9 kasi nandito si Ma'am Rachel at Chica.
My misis ko na sa Pangasinan. So just say hello, enjoy your week, and have a great time with your family, friends, and I will see you in a few weeks. Well, I would say just appreciate the invitation from the sponsor to get to play golf again, and whatever the cost for this good cause, itong tournament na to, we're all in support. Thank you.
Oh, shot. Oh, shot.
Still 36.
Talo mga sexy.
Shot.
Nice one.
Ikaw naman, madam. Ikaw na unang pumano, madam. Ayun, wala mo magaganda. Halika yun dito.
Video yan, video.
Ikaw na magsalita, ikaw na magsalita. Welcome, Pagali!
Nice shot. Lakas. Nagtutulakan sila, oh.
Diyan lang yung bagdok mo.
Ma'am, dalawa yung caddy niya.
Umbrella girl yung...
Ah, umbrella girl.
Kaya nga, Diyosa yan eh. Diyosa sa golf. Kailangan...
Shot. Dali.
Yun,
Wow.
Nice shot. Nice shot, ma'am. Takpo yan.
Gusto ko yung backswing, ay yung ano, follow through. On the tee. Ma'am Marilu.
Okay lang, ma'am. Okay lang. Bumalik.
The tea, Miss Rachel, the chica.
Ayun, tumama.
May kaibigan doon, ma'am. May kaibigan.
Ako sa kanan eh. Parang gitna mo. Mamaya na nawagan ako. Binaba namin yung bag namin, 5:30 pa. Hanggang ngayon wala pa. Yung video pala yan.
Sa aming starter number 10. Wow. Good shot. Wow, gitna ah.
Mr. Ed Encaliado from Santa Rosa, Laguna. You know?
Galing ng MC.
You know pa, di ba?
Oh, sir. So, ikaw naman, bawi. Okay lang yun, sir. Safe yun. Pink pa yung bola ni sir, oh. On the tee, our MC, Miss Renz. Wow, good shot. Good shot.
Next on the tee, from Chulawana, California, Mr. Francis Flores.
Wow, lalakas. Jabong.
On the tee, Mr. Pat Manyak Cabrera.
Wow, galing ah.
Hooray! All right. You wanna see the best guy to win?
Huwag mo titignan likod ko, ha.
Ay,
Kaliwa kaya ako.
ay, kaliwa. Kaliwa ito pala. Po.
Alright. Next on the tee, Mr. Worldwide, Ernesto Carlos.
Golf guys, golf guys. Got the membership bounce, bro.
Action.
Ayos ba, ayos?
Haba yung appearance mo dito, sir.
Next tee. The Mr. International. The KTV King of Cebu. Jacqueline Mohamed.
Wow.
Holy shit. Layo pa.
Thank you po.
Bad, dude. Thank you,
Thank you. Sir, ano po masabi niyo sa Villamor?
Ganda. Ayos. Medyo mahirap ngayon.
Ay, yung caddy, sir.
Sipag.
Magaling ba?
Oo.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Well, maganda itong tournament nito para makilala naman natin itong mga kababayan natin nasa abroad. Pag-banding sa kanila. Para pag napunta naman tayo doon sa East Coast, meron tayong kaibigan na makakalaro. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Puta ka sana ayaw. Ay pusas. Good.
Okay. Thank you so much for having us for this tournament. It's a great tournament, and we wish you only the very best. Congratulations, and I hope you hit your peso targets.
Thank you. Good shot.
Praktisado! Sinasabi ko na eh. Okay lang. Nagpa-picture ba kayo kay Sandra?
Ang video.
Video po. Wow! Oh, ganda ng pagka-fade, oh.
Ay.
Hi!
Wala nga. Yun, diretso. Ganda talaga pag
Tirik
may
na
camera.
tirik.
Shout out sa New York.
From New York.
From New York.
Bye, sir.
After Kiwanis fundraising, I'm from New Jersey. I'm here to play golf and enjoy. It's more fun in the Philippines indeed. Yay!
Oh, fairway, sir. Tumama. Yun, no. Shortcut.
Or! Or!
Shot.
Stupid.
Nice shot.
Shot. Nice fade.
Mike, huh? Yes. Thank you for the invite, and I hope you generate more fun for the future of your next event. Just let us know and we'll play again. Donate to your fund. Thank you. Yes. On the tee. a renowned director and music composer.
Hey.
Mr. Ronnie Henares.
On the team.
Sir, sir, ikaw yung pinaka-early bird kanina. Naalala mo? Yes, sir. Ako yung nag-big-big.
Thank you. You know, picture of early bird.
Wow, good shot.
Hi buddy, you have a very successful tournament. I'd like to thank my friends in the States who informed me of your tournament. That's why I'm here. And thanks for accommodating. Okay, see you soon.
United States, Marine Corps, Oceanside, California.
Na-conscious tuloy ako rito.
Thank you, sir. Nice shot. Pasok mo na.
Hindi na namin capture.
Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you for inviting us. God bless.
God bless. More power and more blessings. Good luck to all players.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Congrats Kiwanis for this golf tournament. Hope enjoy lahat. I am Adrian Paul Poricalian of Just Bobby. Renz invited us. Thanks to Renz.
From?
We are from Tiger Maid, from Quezon City.
Edward from Santa Rosa.
Thank you po.
Paus ako, ikaw na po. Ayun, ikaw pinaka senior eh.
Sige po, sir.
Spokesperson. Spokesperson pa po tayo. Ikaw. Seniority, uy. Mas senior ako sa inyo. In age.
Hi, good morning. My name is Ernie Carlos. I'm from San Diego, California, and we thank you for inviting us to this prestigious tournament. With me are my buddies Paul Jekosalem, Francis Flores, and Pat. So we're glad to be here. Hopefully we'll win. Yeah!
Ang aga, oh. Atupat? Nice!
Go! Go!
Yun, oh. Galing.
Yung kasama namin tumatayo mabagal. First time, medyo magulo.
First time din po yung nagpa-tournament, sir, eh.
Ikaw na eh.
Gusto laro niya po.
Okay lang. Nagpa-picture.
Saging lang, malakas. Only in the Philippines.
Game?
Po, game.
Thank you very much, Buddy La Chica, for inviting us here. Congratulations and good luck. And we hope to raise more money for your foundation. Thank you.
Guys, siya po pala yung sponsor. Major sponsor. Parikit, Manila.
Iba yung grip.
Nagkapalit ng driver.
Anong
Sa tournament. Oh, behind pa yun.
may
Honesty!
may PB5 ka pala niya sa.
Nice shot. Lakas ng palo. Okay po, thank you. Pasok na naman.
Congratulations to the Kiwanis Club for your charity tournament.